welcome to my channel. So today I just remembered I was shooting another video and I was like, you know what, let me show them a little hack I have for like my moisture routine. I was seeing somebody else talk in the comments about stuff they do, and I have like a few older videos about how I hydrate and moisturize and what I use, and my routine is still very simple, but I just want to show you how you can save with moisturizing your hair and still get the same effects. So one of my main go-to things, like if you watch any of my older videos, is Rosewater. I've always used Heritage Store Rosewater, and I would get the gallon and I'd fill up a spray bottle and I'd spray that on my hair, and then I seal it with oil. So when Heritage Store was rebranding their products, I was having a hard time finding the gallon of Rosewater. So I went on their website and I noticed they had Rosewater concentrate. So I'm going to show you that. So what I do now, which is way more cost effective, especially in this economy, get a gallon of distilled water. This is going to last you a minute. This is just plain distilled water. So I'll fill my spray bottle with distilled water. I already did it off camera, so let me show you how full, if you can see in this amber bottle. I have the Heritage Store Rosewater concentrate. So get your bottle full of distilled water, get your Rosewater concentrate drops. I squirt about 30 drops in there. Do whatever makes you feel good. If you want to put more, put more. But I can smell the scent like pretty like strong after like 30. I feel like something's worked for weeks though. Yeah. And then I'll put my top back on and shake it up. But while I have this in my hand, I'm gonna read to you what it says. Combine with your favorite unscented moisturizer or hair oil, or dilute in water to create a refreshing facial spray. ... I'm gonna add in or hairspray. Shake it up. And use to moisturize your locks or your curly hair, whatever you decide to do. But I've been doing this like the last year. My hair still locks popping. They're way more inexpensive. The Rosewater concentrate from Heritage Store is like $23.49, rounded up $24, and the gallon of Rosewater from Heritage Store is also like $103.99, $104, okay? So you have a gallon now of Heritage Store Rosewater on the low for way cheaper. And when I spray that in here, like, still very potent. I'll do like 30 squirts. You can do 40, 50, do whatever floats your boat. Like, look, it's way at the top and I've done it like 3 times already. So I really could go ham if I wanted to and make it even stronger. It doesn't give exact directions on the bottle to be like, do 50 or 40 or 30, like that's just like up to your like personal preference. So yeah, do what makes you feel good, but like this is the move. I'm for myself, like I don't plan on ordering another $104 gallon of Rosewater when I can just use the concentrate and distilled water. So yep, please let me know if this is helpful. Share it with a friend, let me know, comment down below, and I'll respond. So have a good day. Thanks for watching.